Hey everyone, today we have a master padlock and we're gonna pick it real quick in order to open the trailer. Let's start. So the master padlock have 4 wafers and I'm going to use the Lishi tool M1 in order to pick it. Every time I'm going to see one of those springy, I'm going to skip it and I'm going to find the binding pins, and those needs to be picked. And as soon as I pick all 4 of them, we can open the lock. I would recommend to use a WD-40 and lubricate the lock very well before you attempt to pick the lock. And also I'll recommend to take a blank M1, which is uncut key, and slide it in and out real quick a couple of times in order to release all the wafers. So that way when you get to fill the pins with the Lishi, you will feel the springs way better than if all the corroded stuff are inside and it gets stuck. And if you do it the right way, it should look like that. Nice and easy. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thank you.